The Tao, or source of life, that can be told or explained, is not the eternal Tao. When something is named, it is not of the eternal. That which creates life is indefinable. That which can be defined is a creation of the human mind. The infinite is experienced when no words or opinions are present. The unnameable is the eternally real. Naming things make them seem real in what you define as the world. When open without desire, the mystery of life can be experienced. Caught within desire, you will see manifestations of your thinking. Yet the unknown and known arise from the same source, a space of no thought. An open mind to the unknown can be the gateway to all understanding.